how to export 360 video with the DJI Studio app. Unfortunately, you can't do this with the mobile app. You have to do it on a PC. So this is how you do it. First of all, open Studio app. Example, here is a video. I'm just going to shorten this down because I don't want to take forever doing it. So let's see here, clip here, remove this, delete this clip. So when you have a video ready to go on your timeline here, up in the top corner where it says export, you press that. On the top of the box there is video, which is platform video, panoramic video. There is your file name, so you can change that to whatever. I'll just say test. And then you want to go down, this is important, so resolution. Usually it's set by 6K. Select 8K. Then export. It'll start exporting. When it's done exporting, you can then upload it to YouTube directly. Add the music afterwards, or you can add the music here, whatever preference you wish. Hope this helps you. Thank you. This video, please subscribe.